Back come the Lumberjacks. Puck picked off at center by Wyatt Johnson. Up ahead to Collins. Collins shoots. Glove save. Rebound. It's good! Josiah Gronholz and the Blizzard lead 1-0. Native comes into the game with 11 points. Is that shot? He scores! Ethan Murphy! And it's 2-0 Alexandria. Off his stick, Lumberjacks back in control. They'll send it behind the net. Picked up by Murphy. Murphy cuts in front. Collins with a shot. He scores! Ashton Collins! And the Blizzard lead 3-1. It's the 13-minute mark here in the second period. Gronholz picks it off. Collins shoots, scores! Ashton Collins with a 4-point night. Lumberjacks pick it up behind their own net. Outlet pass, up ahead, springing Lentz. Lentz shoots, big save there by Abrahamson. Approaching the 11-minute mark here in the second period. In comes Tucker Skyme all alone to the backhand, and Abrahamson makes the save.